In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CRM of Zoho. We're going to walk through the core basics so you can start managing your leads and deals confidently, even if you're brand new to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know how to build your database, manage sales opportunities, and keep all your communication logged in one place. Let's start with building your database. Once you're logged into Zoho CRM, look for the Leads tab along the top navigation bar. This is where every new prospect or potential customer should start. To add someone manually, click the Leads tab, then click the option that says Create Lead. A form will open where you can type in details like the person's name, company, contact information, and any notes that help you remember who they are or where they came from. The more relevant information you add here, the easier it will be to segment, follow up, and track your progress later on. If you already have a list of leads in a spreadsheet, Zoho makes it easy to bring them in all at once. Still under the Leads section, look for the Import option, then choose Import Leads. You'll be able to upload a CSV or Excel file from your computer. Take a moment to map each column from your file to the correct field in Zoho, like first name, last name, email, and phone. This step is important to keep your data clean and organized from the start. Once your leads are in the system and you've qualified someone as a serious opportunity, it's time to convert them. Open the leads record and look for the Convert button. When you click Convert, Zoho will guide you through turning that lead into a contact, an account, and a deal. The contact is the individual person, the account is the company they belong to, and the deal represents the actual sales opportunity you're working on. This keeps everything connected so you can see the full relationship at a glance. To track all your active deals, go to the Deals tab. Here, switch to the Kanban view by clicking the icon that looks like 3 vertical bars. This view shows your pipeline as columns, usually from early stages like qualification, all the way to closing. Each card represents a deal. As your deals move forward, simply drag and drop the cards from one stage to the next. This gives you a clear, visual snapshot of your pipeline and helps you spot bottlenecks or stalled opportunities. Finally, you'll want all your communication stored in the CRM. When you open any lead, contact, or deal record, look for the option to send email. Using this integrated email feature means every message you send is automatically logged under that record. Over time, this builds a complete history of your interactions, so you and your team always know what was discussed and when, without digging through separate inboxes. That's the foundation of using Zoho CRM, building your database, converting and tracking deals in a visual pipeline, and keeping communication organized right inside the system.